Our planet is facing an unprecedented challenge. Climate change, driven by human activities, is warming our Earth at an alarming rate. The consequences are all around us, from extreme weather events to rising sea levels. The burning of fossil fuels for energy is a major contributor to this crisis, releasing harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The time for action is now. We must transition to a sustainable future, one powered by clean and renewable energy sources. The path forward is clear. Decarbonization. This means reducing and eventually eliminating our reliance on carbon-emitting energy sources. It is a monumental task, but one that we can and must achieve for the sake of our planet and future generations. Decarbonization is the process of reducing and ultimately eliminating carbon dioxide emissions from our energy systems and other industrial processes. Traditional energy sources like coal, oil, and natural gas have powered our world for centuries. However, their detrimental effects on the environment are undeniable. These fossil fuels release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases when burned, trapping heat in the atmosphere and driving global warming. The consequences of inaction are dire. We face a future of more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, floods, and storms. Sea levels will continue to rise, displacing communities and threatening coastal ecosystems. Decarbonization is not just an environmental necessity, it is an imperative for the survival and well-being of humanity. Amidst the urgency of the climate crisis, there is a beacon of hope: the remarkable rise of renewable energy. Solar and wind power, once considered alternative energy sources, have rapidly become mainstream solutions. Technological advancements have driven down costs, making renewables increasingly competitive with fossil fuels. Governments and businesses worldwide are recognizing the economic and environmental benefits of renewable energy. Investments in solar and wind power are soaring, driving a global energy transition. This shift towards renewables is not just about mitigating climate change, it is about creating a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future. The sun, a celestial furnace, bathes our planet in an abundance of energy. Solar power harnesses this energy, converting sunlight directly into electricity. Solar panels, comprised of photovoltaic cells, capture photons from sunlight and generate an electrical current. This clean and silent process produces no emissions, making solar energy a truly sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. From rooftop installations to sprawling solar farms, solar power is being deployed at an accelerating pace. Technological advancements continue to improve the efficiency and affordability of solar panels, making them an increasingly accessible solution for homes, businesses, and entire communities. As the cost of solar technology continues to decline, solar power is poised to become an even more dominant force in the global energy mix. Section 5. Wind power, tapping into nature's force. For centuries, humans have harnessed the power of the wind, using it to grind grain, pump water, and sail across vast oceans. Today, wind turbines stand tall as modern marvels of engineering, towering over landscapes and seascapes alike, capturing the kinetic energy of wind and converting it into electricity, which powers our homes, schools, and businesses. As the wind blows, it spins the blades of the turbine, creating a rotational force. This force is transferred to a generator, producing clean and renewable energy that reduces our reliance on fossil fuels. Wind power, like solar, is a mature and rapidly growing renewable energy source, contributing significantly to the global energy mix. From onshore wind farms dotting vast plains and rolling hills, to offshore wind farms harnessing the power of ocean winds, the potential is immense. Wind energy is making significant contributions to global electricity generation, helping to combat climate change. As technology advances, wind turbines are becoming larger and more efficient, with enhanced designs and materials capable of generating even more power from the same wind resource, ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. Section 6. The storage conundrum: keeping energy on tap. One of the key challenges in transitioning to a fully renewable energy system is the intermittent nature of solar and wind power. These sources of energy are not always available when we need them the most. the sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow, creating the need for effective energy storage solutions. Without these solutions, we risk facing power shortages during periods of low renewable energy generation. Energy storage allows us to capture excess renewable energy when it's abundant and release it when it's needed, ensuring a reliable and consistent power supply. This capability is crucial for maintaining the stability of the power grid. Lithium-ion batteries, similar to those found in electric vehicles, have emerged as a leading energy storage technology. They are known for their high energy density and efficiency. These batteries can store large amounts of energy in a relatively small footprint, making them suitable for a range of applications. From grid-scale storage to residential backup power, they are versatile and can be deployed in various settings. Another promising technology is gravity-based storage, which utilizes the potential energy of heavy objects. This method is both innovative and sustainable. Systems like pumped hydro storage use excess electricity to pump water uphill to a reservoir. This stored water acts as a giant battery. When energy is needed, the water is released downhill, spinning turbines to generate electricity. This process converts the stored potential energy back into electrical energy, providing a reliable power source. Section 7. Efficiency is key. Using less, achieving more. While the transition to renewable energy sources is essential, it's equally important to reduce our overall energy consumption. Energy efficiency measures focus on using less energy to achieve the same or even better results. This not only reduces our reliance on fossil fuels, but also lowers energy bills and improves energy security. In our homes, energy efficiency can be achieved through simple measures like using energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and proper insulation. Buildings are responsible for a significant portion of global energy consumption, so improving their energy efficiency is crucial. Smart technologies such as intelligent thermostats and lighting controls can further optimize energy use and reduce waste. Section 8. Global action policies and initiatives driving change. Addressing climate change and transitioning to a decarbonized future requires a global effort. Governments, businesses, and individuals must work together to implement policies and initiatives that promote renewable energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable practices. The Biden-Harris administration in the United States has made climate action a top priority, setting ambitious goals to reduce emissions and accelerate the deployment of clean energy. The European Union has also been a leader in climate policy, with its Green Deal aiming to make Europe the first climate-neutral continent by 2050. International agreements such as the Paris Agreement provide a framework for global cooperation on climate change. Section 9. Challenges on the road to decarbonization. The path to a decarbonized future is not without its challenges. Integrating large amounts of renewable energy into existing power grids can be complex. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, are variable, meaning their output fluctuates depending on weather conditions. This variability requires grid modernization and the development of smart grid technologies to ensure stability and reliability. The economic impacts of decarbonization are another consideration. Transitioning away from fossil fuels will create new jobs in the renewable energy sector, but it will also displace workers in traditional energy industries. Governments and businesses must work together to ensure a just transition, providing retraining and support for affected workers. Section 10. A sustainable future within our reach. This chapter delves into the pressing need for a sustainable future and how it is within our grasp. The challenges we face in decarbonizing our world are significant, but they are not insurmountable. From reducing factory emissions to tackling city air pollution, every effort counts. Human ingenuity and innovation have brought us to this point, and they will guide us towards a sustainable future. By embracing renewable energy, improving energy efficiency, and implementing sound policies, we can make a real difference. We can create a world where economic prosperity and environmental sustainability go hand in hand. Eco-friendly urban planning and green city initiatives are just the beginning. The transition to a decarbonized future is not just an environmental necessity, it is an opportunity to build a better world for ourselves and future generations. Community solar power projects and electric cars are paving the way. It's a future where clean air, clean water, and renewable energy sources are abundant. And a stable climate are not just aspirations, but realities. Imagine clear blue skies, lush green forests, and families enjoying nature without the threat of pollution. The time for action is now. We must come together at climate change protests, renewable energy summits, and community meetings to drive change. Let us seize this moment and create a sustainable future for all. Together, we can make a lasting impact and ensure a healthier planet for generations to come.